Right now, your brain is being hacked. Not by aliens. Not by the government. By your phone. And the scary part? You're helping it do it. Every app on your phone is fighting a silent war. A war for one thing, your attention. Because attention is money. The longer you scroll, the more ads you see. The more ads you see, the more someone gets paid. Which means the smartest engineers in the world aren't trying to cure diseases. They're trying to keep you staring at a screen. Infinite scroll. Autoplay. Notifications. Bright red icons. None of this is accidental. It's psychological design. Every time you get a like, a message, or a new video, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is the same chemical linked to motivation and reward. It tells your brain, that felt good. Do it again. But here's the twist. Social media doesn't give rewards consistently. Sometimes you get attention. Sometimes you don't. That unpredictability is what makes it addictive. It's the same principle used in casinos. You don't know when the reward is coming, so you keep pulling the lever. In this case, the lever is your thumb. Ever tried to watch a long video and felt restless after 20 seconds? That's not laziness. That's training. Your brain adapts to whatever environment you feed it. Short clips. Fast cuts. Instant stimulation. Your mind learns. If it's not exciting immediately, skip it. And slowly, deep focus becomes harder. Reading feels slower. Studying feels painful. Silence feels uncomfortable. Not because you're broken, but because your brain has been rewired for speed. The real danger isn't wasted time. It's stolen potential. Focus is the foundation of every skill. Learning. Creativity. Problem solving. Memory. When attention weakens, everything weakens. You start living in reaction mode. Scrolling instead of creating. Consuming instead of building. Watching instead of doing. And years can pass like that without you noticing. But here's the good news. Your brain is plastic. It can rebuild. Have you ever tried to work on something important, but your mind just keeps wandering? One minute you're writing an email, the next you're scrolling through social media, and then you remember you need to reply to a text. Why is it so hard to just focus? The answer lies deep inside our brains, specifically in a region called the prefrontal cortex. Think of your prefrontal cortex as the CEO of your brain. It's in charge of complex tasks like planning, decision-making, and, you guessed it, directing your attention. When you decide to focus on one thing, your prefrontal cortex sends signals to other parts of your brain, telling them what to pay attention to and what to ignore. It's like a spotlight, shining brightly on your main task while keeping everything else in the shadows. But this CEO can get overwhelmed, especially in our modern world filled with constant distractions. Here's where it gets interesting. Every time you switch from one task to another, say from your work report to checking a notification, a little piece of your attention gets left behind. This is a concept neuroscientists call attention residue. It is like when you trying to have a conversation, but you still thinking about the email you just read. Because of this residue, your performance on the new task is weaker. You're not giving it your full 100%. So, multitasking isn't really doing two things at once. It's rapidly switching between tasks and doing both of them poorly. Over time, this constant switching actually rewires our brains. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, a quality known as neuroplasticity. If you constantly feed your brain a diet of distractions, it becomes better at being distracted. It starts to crave that novelty, that quick hit of new information from a notification or a new post. Your brain literally builds and strengthens the neural pathways for distraction, making it harder and harder to sustain deep focus. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to break. But here's the good news. Because of neuroplasticity, this isn't a permanent state. You can retrain your brain for focus. Just like you can build muscle at the gym, you can strengthen your prefrontal cortex's ability to direct attention. It starts with intentionally practicing single tasking. Try setting aside specific, distraction-free blocks of time to work on one thing and one thing only. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs, and let your brain get comfortable with staying on a single subject. It might feel difficult at first, but with consistent practice, you are literally rebuilding the neural pathways for deep, sustained concentration. Your brain will learn to ignore the irrelevant and stay locked on what truly matters. So next time you feel your focus slipping, remember the CEO in your brain and the concept of attention residue. Give your brain the environment it needs to do its best work. We'll dive deeper into practical techniques to do just that in our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your mind. Start small. 10 minutes of deep focus a day. No notifications. No multitasking. One task only. It feels uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is training. Just like muscles grow from resistance, attention grows from effort. And once focus returns, clarity returns. Your phone isn't evil, but it shouldn't control you. Attention is your life. Where you aim it decides who you become. Train it. Protect it. Use it wisely. Follow QuickIQ. Think faster. Learn smarter.